Kaguro, ako si Teacher Roy Mulanda. Are you alright? Yes, alright. Mga bata, our objective, identify and describe the processes of withering. Our content standard, the learners demonstrate understanding of weathering and soil erosion, shape the Earth's surface, and affect living things and environment. Our performance standards, the learners should be able to participate in projects that reduce soil erosion in the community and learner competencies objectives, write LCQ for it. Describe how rocks turn into the soil. SM5ES 14A1. Have you ever wondered if there is no soil on Earth? Can you imagine what would it look like? The land is one of the most important things in our existence because this is the place where we live. This is the place where we build our shelters, grow our foods, and make for a living. Here we can find the soil that is essential in supporting plant life that is vital to life on Earth. It is the skin of the earth, which is complex mixture of minerals, water, air, organic matter, and countless organisms that are decaying remains of once living things. How the soil are formed. Most of the soil came from the particles of the rocks combined with the minerals as well as with and artificial materials through contact with earth, atmosphere, water, and biological organism. Soil are formed through the process called withering. It is the breaking down of rocks into smaller pieces, and it is the long run turn into soil when repeatedly exposed to different phenomenon caused by the action of rainwater extremes to temperature and biological activity. There are three types of weathering. First, physical weathering or mechanical weathering. Weathering happens when a rock is exposed to a changing temperature and weather condition. Sometimes the breaking down of rocks is enhanced if assisted by the water. Physical weathering happens especially in places where there is little soil and few plants grow, such as in mountainous regions and hot deserts. Either through repeated melting and freezing of water, mountains and tundra, or through expansion and contraction of the surface layer of rocks that are baked by sand, hot desert. Though, of course, when water continually seeps into cracks, freeze, and expand, eventually breaking the rocks apart. Exfoliation occurs as cracks develop parallel to the land surface as consequence of the reduction in pressure during a flood and erosion. Example of physical mechanical weathering, top to bottom, freeze thaw, and exfoliation. Second, chemical weathering. This is caused by an acid rainwater reacting with the mineral grains in the rocks to form new minerals such as clay and soluble salt. This chemical process occur more rapidly at higher temperatures, so warm, damp climates are best. Chemical weathering, especially hydrolysis and oxidation, is the first stage in the production of soils. Solution: removal of rock in solution by acidic rainwater, in particular limestone, is weathered by rainwater containing dissolved CO2. This process is sometimes called carbonation. B. Hydrolysis: the breakdown of rock by acidic water to produce clay and soluble salt. C. Oxidation: the breakdown of rock by oxygen and water, often giving iron-rich rocks a rusty-colored, withered surface. Example of chemical withering from left, right, and bottom solution: hydrolysis and oxidation in rocks. Third, biological withering. It pertains to the activities of living organisms that contribute to the withering process, such as the penetration of the bark of the roots of the trees in the joints or cracks of the rocks in order to find moisture. Many animals, such as these pedunk shells, bored into rocks for protection, either by scraping away the grains or secreting acid to dissolve the rock. Bacteria, algae, and leeches produce chemicals that help break down the rock on which they live so they can get the nutrients they need. Plant growing on the top of the rock. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. Teacher Roy Molanda. All you alright? Yes, alright. Bye. Love you all.